I'm not gonna hold you. What we not gonna do is pretend that this is not giving.
When my friends go, it was simple. When the ends low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike, I go hard day and night, yeah.
What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in. And here we are, another video that we are going to get out the way. Of course, before we get into this, do make sure you are subscribed to the channel, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Now, as far as updates are concerned, I have addressed the elephant in the room. I have addressed the issues with my neck. As you can see, I do have a very large mass right here. I've discussed that in a Get Ready With Me, so definitely click the eye and it'll tell you all about that. I'm not going to address it anymore from this point out. I don't know why people are so bothered by a hyperpigmented neck, but it is what it is. And also, we do have a guest appearance, baby. She is making her comeback, baby. So I'm going to try to point to her. Where's my finger? You will notice some movement right here. That is my dog, Rosie. She's a white Maltese. So if you see some sudden movements, she's doing her thing back there. So big thank you to ILikeHair for sending out this beauty, baby. And listen, natural edges, it is that deep. This is supposed to give you a very natural, seamless, kinky, straight type of look from root to tip. I am so here for this. Baby, check out that flow, honey. This in, baby. Yeah. Get 2 combs on. Okay, so we're gonna do this a little bit different. I'm gonna style this on my head. I'm also gonna cut the lace. I've already taken the liberty to use my Even lace tint spray to brown or tint the lace on this unit. And I can tell you this is, okay. This is a very comfortable cap. It's snug, but it's not like too tight. So let me just go ahead and adjust a little bit. Okay, I was gonna do a middle part, but okay, so I think we are gonna go ahead and do a side part. Okay, so thank you for the comb, ILikeHair. So looking at the sides here, they look really good. However, they are not like blending the way I would want them to. So this is my first stab at this. I'm just gonna take this rat tail comb and I'm gonna see if I can actually smooth these back just to make it a little bit more uniform. Also, this helps me decide whether or not I'm gonna actually cut some of this off. I don't think I am, so I think I'm gonna start. I'm just gonna cut using this eyebrow shaper. Yeah, oh, look at that. Okay. I'm gonna go in with the Olive Oil Oars Wig Grip Spray. Usually when it comes to the hairline, the traditional way is to push everything back with a gel, with a cream, any type of mousse that's going to expose the hairline. For this one, because you're not going swoopity swoopish, okay, you're not going to swoop land, it's best if you actually just lay the lace, and then you want to use maybe your rat tail comb, maybe your fingers, whatever you choose to use, and just place it over the lace. Do not rub anything back. That is going to change the texture of the edges, period. We looking pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and flatten the top. I do have my hair on, however, I will be trying to get it off. No temp setting on here, so we gonna tread real lightly.
It was simple when the ends low. Switch the tempo. Where my friends go, it was simple. When the ends low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike. I go hard day and night, yeah. I go hard day and night. 1-to-1, no surprise, see the hate in their eyes. My brothers blood money bleed. I got the game in the squeeze. What would you do for some green? What would you do for some blues? Go pick and choose, the fam of the cheese. Some people not built like that. Some people get killed like that. Pressure like water, lights, mortgage, I been that bills like that. Now I got kids like that. No wonder why I feel like that. Some people go to war for nothing. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for some.
I'm not gonna hold you. What we not gonna do? What we not gonna do is pretend that this is not giving natural hair YouTube guru. And baby, I am here to give you all the tea. Cause listen, big thank you to ILikeHair for sending out this unit. This is their Hyperrealism Kinky Edge HD Lace Frontal Ventilated Wig. I do have this unit in 22 inches. Please understand, baby, this is a text time splurge, but for a reason. And, this is starting off at $249. It is going all the way up to a lovely $345.00. They are offering you a coupon code. Enter Meekah25 for 25% off and save some coins. There are going to be price points for every single different individual. Now, if you feel that this is an investment for you, go ahead and do it, boo, because baby, listen, no plucking, no finessing, no swoopity swoops. I think the price is in the hairline. Installation itself was easy peasy. I did notice a couple of things along the hairline. One, I suggest going in with an adhesive spray that is not going to be sticky or too tacky. It's the one reason I went really lightly with the spray. I did use some gel along the ear tabs to, of course, get them to adhere and do what they need to do, baby. And guess what? We are serving Gone with the Wind fabulous, baby. Oh yeah. And the best part, look, she can be glueless. It's just a matter of taking these, brushing them down, come on. Yeah, so you definitely want to tread lightly with the sprays and adhesive. Now for me and this particular wig, I don't know if it's me, but it does seem like I have a little bit more kinky edge on this side compared to this side, but it worked out perfectly because I do have the hair kind of covering it. This right here is a hairline that was a little bit of a challenge for me. My first instinct was to cut off some of this lace, and I'm so glad I did not. I went really lightly with my products. If you go too heavy, you will get that cast off. So it is a little lighter than what I would want it to look in certain areas, but I'd rather have that than to have a super dark line, and you can definitely clock the lace. Even with the fact that I messed up on the ear tabs on this side, baby, you cannot tell me that this is like, hello, I'm sorry, did you Did you call me? It's approved, baby. I really didn't want anything like too fancy with this. I wanted it to look natural, like I just took a bath. You know what I'm saying? Getting ready for that appointment. Wink wink. And you know, I just kind of blow dried my hair and that was it. That's the look I definitely wanted to pull off with this unit, and baby, she delivered. Oh yes, she delivered. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit by ILikeHair, definitely hit up the description box down below. Big thank you to them for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciate it. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Do hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell. Share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Drop me a comment down below. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.